Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'd like to take you through the different print-on-demand websites, and I'd like to let you know which websites support the creation of collections. Now, a collection is something like a featured collection of your most favorite designs, or it could be something where you group similar designs that belong to a certain niche together, which then allows you to make your shop more provide a better overview in your shop, make the shop more structured so that customers who go into your shop and maybe they clicked on a certain design and then they go into your shop because they like the design, and then they see a collection with different designs which belong to the same niche. They might click onto that collection because it might mean that when you go to a shop, when you like a design, you click on that, you get to a shop and everything's mixed in that shop. You've got hundreds of niches in that shop. They wouldn't look through that shop. They would most likely go away and try to find another shop, or just stick with that one design that they liked. But the chance is, if they like a design, they click on that, they get to a shop which is very nicely structured, maybe with a nice banner as well. And then you've got featured collections, possibly even with a niche that is very similar to that niche of a design that person clicked on. Then chances are they might click on that collection and buy something else, which is why it is recommended. Now the next one is Society6. They also support the building of collections, as you can see here. Now this website here is Tostadora. On Tostadora you can also have different shops. Each shop can have a maximum number of items of 751. I think some shops that I have, they have more items in there for some reason, but normally 751 is the limit. What sometimes happens, for some reason, I can keep uploading and some of my shops actually have 200 products in there, but normally 751 is the limit. But here they call it not collections, they call it store sections, which again is basically the same thing. Fine Art America, again here you can see I haven't created any collections, but you can create image collections in your shop and again make your shop more structured. Looking at Redbubble, yes, also in Redbubble you can create actually collections in your shop, but you can also create a featured collection, which is on top of the different collections that you can create. So let's say you can create a few different collections. One would be a animal niche collection, the other one a sports niche collection, and then of all your favorite designs you could even create a featured collection, which is the first thing that people see when they go into your shop. It is at the very top, it's a featured collection, and it's useful to have on Redbubble. TeePublic as well, they support the creation of collections, and it is recommended to have collections on TeePublic. I've heard that if you have collections, it increases your likelihood that you get accepted on the marketplace, because you must know on TeePublic not everybody can have their designs on the marketplace. Some designs will remain hidden. If they don't approve you, you will just not have your designs on the marketplace. Now this is pretty much what it is. Amazon Merch, to my knowledge, they don't allow you to create collections because you don't have your own shop. You're just selling on the marketplace. The same thing with Spreadshirt. You do not have a shop, so you cannot create collections in your shop. You're just selling your designs on the marketplace. Now that would be similar if you had a spread shop, which is a different website, but it's linked to Spreadshirt. So you can have your own spread shop with your products, and you can set your prices yourself and everything. And also there you can have collections. And that is pretty much it. These websites support the creation of collections. Again, the advantages of these collections are that you can always keep your shop more structured. It is a bit more work because you have to create the collection. Maybe you have to sometimes, keep it updated, all the time. Because if you add more designs to this niche, you might want to include them into your collection. Otherwise, you risk that customers don't see it. But overall, I think it's worth doing. I only have them on TeePublic and Redbubble. Haven't really put the time and effort in to create them on Zazzle or Society6, and also not on Fine Art America, and also not on Tostadora. but definitely on Zazzle, which is probably really going well for me, I will probably put the effort in and try to increase my sales further by adding collections, and also to improve your Z rank, which is very similar to the, not very similar, but it's sort of similar to the tier system of Amazon Merch, and also similar to the new Spreadshirt Space, or Space Academy listing, system. There, to improve your Z rank, I think they also look at, have you completed everything that you can complete in your shop? Have you created collections? So if you create collections on Zazzle, it might even help you to improve your Z rank. Similar again, like to TeePublic, where if you create collections, it might increase your likelihood to be seen on the marketplace, because there's no point selling on a website where your designs don't show up on the marketplace. Because if you have to do ads to bring traffic to your website, you can just sell on just only one. You don't need to spread onto different platforms. You could just stay with one platform and just do Facebook ads to bring traffic to that one listing. So if you're spreading yourself to different platforms, that might mean you do it because you don't really want to do ads. You want to have it passively, you want to run your passive business, which is what I try to do. All right, so hopefully you liked this video. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.